Hello everyone. Today I will explain the layout of Thonny IDE environment. At the very top, you will see the menu bar. This contains options like File, Edit, View, Run, Tools, and Help. These menus let you open files, configure settings, and run your programs. Just below the menu bar is the toolbar. It has quick buttons for saving, running, stopping, and debugging your code. These shortcuts make working faster. The large white area in the center is the editor. This is where you write your Python programs. Each file opens in a separate tab, so you can work on multiple scripts at once. At the bottom, you find the shell and the console window. This shows the output of your programs and also allows you to test small pieces of code interactively. On the right side, there are panels such as variables and files. The variables panel shows the values stored in the memory while your program runs. The files panel helps you browse and open file directly from Thonny. Finally, at the very bottom, you will notice the status bar. It displays useful information like line numbers and which Python interpreter you are using. That's the basic layout of Thonny window with the editor, shell and variable viewer all in one place. Thonny makes Python coding simple and beginner friendly. Comment line. So what are comments? Comments are notes you write inside your code that Python completely ignores. You are meant for humans, not for the computer. Think of them as sticky notes that explain what your code is doing. In Python, you create a single line comment by using the hash symbol. That's the hash sign. For example, hash. This is a comment. Print hello. This is the Python programming code to display your hello world on output window. Here Python will run the print statement, but it will skip the comment line. You can also add comments at the end of the line like print hello, hash this prints hello. Now, what if you want to write a longer explanation? Python does not have a special multi-line comment symbol, but you can use triple quote to write a block of text. Technically, these are multi-line strings, but if you does not assign them to a variable, they act like a comment. For example, 3 times single quote. This is a longer comment. It can span multiple lines. And then for the closing, 3 times single quote. So why use comments? They make your code easier to understand both for you and for anyone else reading it. Good comments explanation why the code is written a certain way, not just what it does.